Hi all, welcome to my channel QA Test Automation. In this Selenium tutorial, we mainly discussed about select class, how we can select a value in a dropdown and whatever the methods in the select class. Let's see how to select a value in dropdown. To select a value from the dropdown list by using select class in the Selenium WebDriver, the syntax of the select class is select. We can give the variable equal to new select. We can give the web element of the select dropdown. These are the methods in the select class: selectByIndex, selectByValue, selectByVisibleText, getOptions, deselectByIndex, deselectByValue, deselectByVisibleText, and deselectAll. Let's see in practical how we can do all these operations. Create object for the cron driver and maximizing the window. Here I am using the timestamp.com. Let's see. I want to select a value in the experience dropdown. Let's inspect. See here the dropdown which is having the select tag. So initially we need to create the element for the select or this dropdown. After then we can select the options by using the methods of the select class. Let's create the element equal to driver dot find element by dot id. Let's see, once it is a id. Yeah, it is a id. Work experience, combo work experience. Let's create the object for the select class. Select L equal to new select. Let's pass the web element which is created for the experience. Let's see one by one. First we can see the select by index. Select by index dot select by index. Here we can see we can give the cell index of this. The index starts with 0. The first one is the experience, one is the 0, and entry level is the 1, 2, 3. The index starts from the 0. Here the total is 23, the 21, 22, 23. The index starts with 0 means the total will be comes under 22, including 0. I want to select the 2 years in the drop down. The index is 0, 1, 2, 3. The index is 3 for the 2 years. Let's give it as 3 and let's execute. See here, it selects the 2 years in the experience drop down. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 index 3 is 2 years. Likewise, we can see the remaining methods also. Select by value. Value means here we can see the value -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 21. The value is there. This is the value we can use to select a value in the drop down. Suppose I want to take the 80 years. I want to take 80 years. I want to select the 80 years in the experience drop down. Then I will take the value as 8. Let's pause. Here we need to mention in the double quotes. Let's execute this. See here in the dropdown, it selects the 8 years. Let's close this. Next, we can see this is the select by value. Next, we can see the next one is the select by visible text. Let's select the visible text, and we can see here text means we can take whatever the text here given between the tags 6 years, 7 years, 5 years. I will take 13 years. 13 years. Let's rerun. In the dropdown, it is showing 13 years. Like we can select by index, select by value, select by visible text. Like the same, deselect by value, deselect by index, deselect by visible text. Let's see the get options. In the get options, it will retrieve the list of elements in a dropdown. Whatever the values existing in the dropdown, it will retrieve the list of elements. And if we want to select the one of the element, then we can iterate by using the enhancer for loop, and we can select whatever the value we require. Let's create list string equal to get options. So this is the web element. It will retrieve the list of web elements. Let's see the size of what is the size of the list of web elements. The list of web elements is the size is 23. Why it is 23 means, see here the 21 and 0 and -1, total 23 values in the drop down. By using the enhancer for loop, we can select a value in a drop down. Yes. If yes dot get text dot contains, let's say I will take 15 years. Yes dot click. In the enhancer for loop, it will iterate the list of web elements one by one. Once whatever the web element which the text contains the 15 years, it will goes inside the if condition. It will selects the 15 years in the drop down. Let's execute this. You can see it selects the 15 years. That's it for this video, guys. And the deselect methods also the same thing. We can use to deselect the value in the drop down. That's it for this video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.